carburetor. Started hour. That's semi.
Here we are in the engine room, Condor Vitesse.
That's a big turbo. One there, one on the other side. You see where the two exhaust things are on top of that?
Yeah.
There's another two there. Like.
4 turbos then?
About 450 grand a piece.
Turbo?
Yeah. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each engine runs on 20 legs. If you ever hear an engineer go 19 and a half legs, it means it's running on 19. One of these is on half a leg. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
All your runners up there.
What's the power of these, mate?
Off the top of my head, I couldn't tell you. I know they chuck out 17,500 tonnes worth of water a minute.
That's unbelievable, like, isn't it? There's a rag in the middle of that one, is that safe?
Yeah, because they're working on the engine joint.
Alright.
Gearbox is gone.